Alright, so how to replace your battery on your key fob for your Audi A3 or S3. So first thing you want to do is you want to get a flat battery that's a 2032. That's a CR 2032. Let's get it at CVS. It's $5. Flathead screwdriver. And then what I have is a key ring, and I just kind of unfolded it, and you'll see why in a bit. So first thing all you want to do is you want to open up the key fob, and then you'll notice there's two things we're looking for. There's this little tab right here, and then there's a tab right underneath the clip here. So first thing you want to do is we want to pop open this little tab under here. So we just want to get our flathead. It's a little lever, you pop that, and then the lid pops up. And then next step is we're going to get our little flathead and pry right under here. Little pressure, you feel it pop, you can hear it pop. And then you might need to go back once more and pry the little tab here. There we go. Let's see now. Looks like we got the cover pop. Let's try it one more time for the grand finale. Voila. So now we've got our battery exposed. And what you want to do is there's a little, if your flathead screwdriver is small enough, you can get it right in here to pry it. But what I did is I just unfolded a key ring. Very easy. And then now what you can do is you can just hook it right under there, let's see, and then pry open that battery. You can even apply pressure on the inside to kind of get it underneath. Let's see, it's a little tricky, this part. Almost. There we go. Voila. So we got the battery out like so. And now we'll get the new battery, and you want to make sure it's facing up. You want to see the positive side facing upwards. Don't scratch it. Alright, so we've got the new battery, the CR2032, and then you want to make sure the positive side is facing upwards, and we want to tuck it underneath. There's these two little prongs. We want to make sure we go under that and then down. Alright, make sure you get underneath the prongs to secure it, and then the battery's nice and flat. And then we just put the cover right back on. So make sure we line up the little teeth, this top corner first. Little pressure, snaps. Same thing on the side. Make sure everything's sealed up. And we're back in business. Alright. Good luck. See ya.